In this tutorial, we'll learn how to iterate over a tuple using a for loop in Python. Here we have a tuple called fruits that contains the values apple, banana, and cherry. We can iterate over this tuple using a for loop. The variable fruit takes on each value of the tuple during each iteration of the loop. Let's try another example. Here we have a tuple called numbers that contains the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can use a for loop to iterate over this tuple and add up the values to get the sum. We create a variable called sum and initialize it to 0. During each iteration of the loop, we add the current value of number to the sum variable. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to use a for loop to iterate over a tuple in Python. Happy coding!